In the world of esports, only a handful of players earn lasting respect through years of dedication, discipline, and consistent performance. One of those players is Tristan Noaki, better known by his in-game name Shrimzy. As one of the most accomplished PUBG competitors from the United States, his career demonstrates how determination and constant improvement can turn a passionate gamer into an internationally recognized professional. Early life and passion for gaming. Tristan Noaki grew up in the United States, where he developed a strong interest in video games from a young age. Like many future esports professionals, he spent countless hours learning game mechanics, improving his reflexes, and understanding competitive strategy. While gaming started as entertainment, it gradually became a serious pursuit as he realized his potential to compete at the highest level. His early experiences with multiplayer shooters helped build the skills that would later define his professional career: precision aiming, calm decision-making, and the ability to work effectively within a team. Discovering PUBG. When PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds PUBG was released, it introduced a new style of competitive gameplay that rewarded strategy as much as mechanical skill. Tristan quickly recognized the game's potential and dedicated himself to mastering every aspect of it. He studied maps carefully, practiced different weapon combinations, and learned how to survive under pressure. Instead of relying only on aggressive fighting, he developed a balanced playstyle that combined patience, smart positioning, and accurate shooting. Building a professional career. Shrimzy's exceptional performances attracted attention from professional organizations. As he entered the competitive PUBG scene, he proved that he could compete against some of the world's strongest players. Throughout his career, he represented respected esports organizations and participated in numerous regional and international tournaments. His ability to remain calm during high-pressure situations became one of his greatest strengths. Rather than chasing individual glory, Tristan focused on teamwork. His communication, game awareness, and willingness to support teammates made him an invaluable member of every roster he joined. Becoming one of America's best. North America has produced many talented PUBG players, but Shrimzy earned a reputation as one of the region's most reliable competitors. Fans admired his consistency, while fellow professionals respected his deep understanding of the game. Whether competing in qualifiers or international championships, he repeatedly demonstrated the qualities required to succeed at the highest level. His performances helped establish North America as a competitive region in global PUBG esports. Playing style. Shrimzy's gameplay is defined by intelligence rather than reckless aggression. His strengths include excellent map awareness, accurate long-range shooting, calm decision-making during intense moments, strong teamwork and communication, consistent performance over multiple tournaments. These qualities allowed him to adapt to changing tournament formats and evolving game updates. Challenges along the way. Professional esports is demanding. Players must constantly practice, adapt to new game updates, travel for competitions, and perform under intense pressure. Like every professional athlete, Tristan faced difficult moments. Team changes, disappointing tournament results, and fierce international competition tested his determination. However, instead of giving up, he continued refining his skills and learning from every experience. His resilience became one of the defining characteristics of his career. Representing North America. Competing against the world's best teams requires exceptional preparation. Tristan proudly represented North American PUBG on the international stage, facing elite players from Asia, Europe, and other regions. These tournaments required not only mechanical skill but also mental strength. Every match demanded quick thinking, precise communication, and the ability to make critical decisions within seconds. His performances helped raise the profile of American PUBG esports. Influence beyond competition. Shrimzy's impact extends beyond tournament results. Many aspiring players study his gameplay to improve their own skills. His disciplined approach demonstrates that success comes from preparation, teamwork, and continuous learning rather than natural talent alone. He has become an example for younger gamers who dream of becoming professional esports athletes.